In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover your Zangi account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Within the Zangi application itself, you'll not be able to find the option for recovering it. So what you need to do is contact the Zangi customer support. For that, launch open any browser of your choice and click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply type in zangi.com/contact. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the contact interface of Zangi. From here, you'll be able to contact them. Right over here, you'll be able to find various options for contacting them. You can simply consider contacting them via these options too. Or else the easiest way is to simply fill out this form that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all, what you have to do is enter your name. Now also enter the company name. It is completely optional. Now what you have to do is provide your email address over here. Now what you have to do is enter the message for them. So click on the field of message. Now actually what you have to do is simply enter your problem over here. Describe your issue as specifically as you can. So simply enter the message over here. Here I've entered I want to recover my Zangi account, but you can enter it on your own words. After you do that, what you have to do is check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now after it is verified, click on the send option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, your message will be sent. Zangi will try to respond to you as fast as they can. In the response, you'll be able to find the guidelines regarding what you can do in order to recover your account. Simply follow through what they say, and after that, your account can be recovered. So that is how you recover your Zangi account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.